After being obliterated, damn.
Like a boss. Yeah, look at the Death Star. It came back. I've opened up with the same goddamn ham 3 times in a row. Card for fucking card. Get the seal. Mathematically sound.
Could you imagine if this card was out and you could synchro?
Can you imagine if it took people's souls? I'd be playing. There would be a lot of people. I'd be playing fucking Victory Dragon in traditional mode and just trying to one-shot people's souls. Playing on the streets, though. That heavy storm on street. Wait, I think all you had to do was win a duel to take their souls.
Oh wait,
it wasn't even a match.
Can I have my deck?
No, I'm not done shuffling. I claim it as my pride.
Why you made to send me a message on Facebook?
Red, what do you say? Critical.
What up, bro? You're not replying.
Are you going first or second? First. You sure?
Someone told me that.
You're positive.
To which I said, fine, as long as I destroyed your special summon monsters too.
You can't special summon seals of fossil dino.
One time I went tour guide for Sagan. You called it.
Why do you switch positions? So if it was facing this way. Yeah, he's got 3 eyes. He can watch himself. I'm on. Hey, look, it's the same hand. What just happened, sorry? I shit you not, complete with a pot of avarice. This is my hand. Okay, what's that too? A draw? 2 table? Spam what they say.
I'm gonna speed play this. Just grab all the pieces, put them in your hand. Sorry, bro.
If he gets out the 5, whatever, dude. I could be boned.
I really hope you sign a second one. I do not. Well, best of luck to you, my good sir.
You run 1.
Just run 1.
Ooh, that's
searchable enough. Run 1. The thing that will win him the duel if he does it.
Judge Martin, any shoutouts?
Tinsel. It's Tinsel. Look at Tinsel. I'm sorry.
Wait, I can't do the sequel. Just
one more call.
You gotta try it one time. Gotta try it one time.
It's been 4 years since
You cannot disappoint YouTubers.
Fuck you. I knew you needed for something. That was a weak ass attempt, Martin. I'll kill you next turn.
Sorry, I can't do it anymore.
It's like a dying seagull.
Useless card.
It was a dying seagull.
It's alright, Jake, did you want that saying or not?
This guy's the wrong card.
Yeah.
I think I saw the video of him doing it on YouTube.
I discarded the wrong card. Oh. The first or the non-first?
I'm gonna take the first.
Set 1.
Dick.
Ooh, dust everywhere.
Are you even recording this?
Yeah.
No, you know what? You can only attack a Sankin. Set 1 your guy.
Without giving me anything else to look for, are you dick? Special summon. Ah, is that the guy I don't like?
Yeah,
it is the guy I don't like. You're gonna set 2? That's game. That's good, I missed